The rain has become a little stronger now, but as I said, the entire atmosphere, the entire weather is just awesome. It's cool out there, and it was a much needed rain in Ranchi because it was seriously hot during the days. So I think this will bring down the temperature for the next 2 or 3 days. So this is how it looks. So this is how this Ranchi looks like when it rains. Beautiful. I must say Ranchi looks beautiful in all the season, no matter whether it's hot and sunny or cold in winter or rainy in the rainy days. And such unseasonal rains makes Ranchi really beautiful. I really love the weather here, and since we all are at home, so let's take out, let's enjoy the weather because these times, these moments, believe me friends, will never come back again. Thank you so